In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a phone number link in Google Sites. This can be incredibly helpful if you want your visitors to be able to call you directly with one simple click. Let's dive right in and get started. First, ensure you're logged into your Google Sites account and have the site open where you want to add the phone link. Once your site is open and ready, the next step is to locate the area where you want to insert the phone number link. This could be on the home page, a contact page, or anywhere else you deem suitable. Once you've decided on the location, look towards the right side of your screen for the Insert menu, which features various options to enhance your site. In this instance, we'll be focusing on adding a button. To start, go ahead and click on the button tool. You'll see a pop-up window appear, allowing you to customize the button's appearance and functionality. You'll want to label the button with something intuitive. A simple yet effective label could be something like "Call Now." This conveys to your visitors exactly what will happen when they click this button. Crafting a clear and engaging label is crucial because it directly reflects how users interact with your website. Now comes a key part of the process, linking the button to your phone number. In the link field, you'll need to enter a specific format so that clicking the button actually initiates a phone call. Type in TEL plus, followed by the full phone number you want your users to dial. For example, if your number is 10234567890, you would write it as TEL plus 123567890. This format ensures that when someone clicks the button, their device interprets it correctly and starts a call to the specified number. It's important to double check this entry for accuracy because any mistakes could prevent the button from functioning as intended. Once you've filled in the label and the link fields, you're almost there. Just hit the insert button to finalize the addition of your new phone link button to your site. Congratulations! You've just made it incredibly easy for your visitors to get in touch with you over the phone. Before wrapping up, take a moment to preview your site with this new feature. Click the preview icon and navigate to the section where the button is placed. Test it by clicking the button, ensuring that it correctly initiates a call to your telephone number. This extra step confirms that everything works smoothly and gives you the peace of mind that your visitors will have a seamless experience. And there you have it. Adding a phone number link to your Google site can significantly improve accessibility and user engagement. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.